super fun science kits are way more fun when the experiments include boiling boogers, creating glowing forms. And making a test tube vomit includes everything for 15 super gross experiments plus an additional 30 using household products. The experiment guide has kid-friendly instructions with illustrations for each step. And fascinating insight into the science at work in each totally gross experiment. This is one unforgettable educational toy. High-quality educational toys. We're proud to make the highest quality hands-on science toys. And all our products are backed by exceptional service. If your experience is less than stellar, let us know and we'll make things right. Check the link to buy now amazing Gross Science Kit.